Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare soft and delicious cabbage paratha. These are very simple to prepare and taste super delicious. You can enjoy it with pickle, yogurt, chutney or any curries. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare this paratha. We need wheat flour, grated cabbage, asafoetida, oil, salt to taste, water to knead dough, finely chopped coriander leaves, green chili, ginger, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala and cumin and coriander seeds powder. Let's start the preparation. In a large mixing bowl, take wheat flour, add all masala and finely chopped green chili, ginger, salt to taste, finely chopped coriander leaves, asafoetida, 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Now we have to mix everything well. Now it's time to add grated cabbage. I have grated cabbage and washed thoroughly and strained the excess water. So I am going to mix everything well. If it needs water, you can add little water and make it into a stiff dough or like a soft chapati consistency dough. Our dough is ready. Apply little oil and knead it for 30 to 40 seconds so that paratha will be very soft. Our stiff dough is ready. Close the lid and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now. Apply little wheat flour and knead it for some more time. Now we have to make it into a small lemon size dough balls to make paratha. Our dough balls are ready. Take one paratha dough ball, coat it with wheat flour, press it little bit so that it will become flat. Now we have to roll it into a thin flat bread using rolling pin. Try to roll to the edge so that paratha will become round. If it needs some more wheat flour, you can apply and roll it into a thin paratha. If it is not round, you can use any round cutters. You can cut it into round shape. Now our rolled paratha is ready. Now we can roast it on hot tawa. Once you see small bubbles on the top of paratha, flip it to the other side. Apply oil to this side and allow it to roast for 10 to 15 seconds. Now we have to flip it one more time and apply oil to this side as well. Same way we have to flip 2 to 3 times and roast both the sides until they become light golden brown spots. Press it little bit so that paratha will roast well. Our soft and delicious cabbage paratha is ready. Keep stove heat to low and again make the parathas. Same way I made all parathas. Our soft and delicious cabbage parathas are ready. You can see these are very soft. You can make these paratha and keep it for 1 to 2 days, or you can take these to any picnic or travel places. Now I am going to serve it with pickle. Our lunch is ready. Same way, please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.